Hi, here are a few of the landscape quilts that I've done over the past few years. Most of these were done as gifts for loved ones and friends, and I have a variety of subjects. Most of them something to do with nature, however. That's my favorite kind of art and what inspires me the most. And I used a few different techniques on these, but they're all similar. I cut out fabric and create a picture and then sew it together and quilt it, add a border, and then I'm done. Hope you like them. Bye.